Hello everyone, for this tutorial video I'd like to explain how dispersion works, which is the breakdown of light rays into their components. If you have ever looked at a rainbow, or something like the face of a CD disc, near the hole in the middle, you will notice that they do not have one color, but rather many colors at once. And in particular, these colors can be memorized with the acronym ROY-G-BIV, which describes in order the colors that appear. In particular, red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, violet. And in technical terms, all of these colors are said to possess different wavelengths of light, where white light is commonly known as the mixture of all of these wavelengths at the same time. And so, if you refract white light in a particular manner, you can actually break it down into multiple colored lights at the same time, which is what dispersion is formally defined as all of the different wavelengths will refract or bend at different rates. So if we were to feed white light into the shiny material of the raindrop or the CD disc, all of the individual components that make it up would bend at different rates, and as a result, you would get the ever so famous rainbow effect. Although dispersion is interesting in terms of its aesthetics, it is problematic in optical applications because of the fact all of the components of a complicated light would bend in different directions. This means that they could accidentally overlap when they travel in each other's path. But because of how dispersion works, this is only problematic for complex lights such as white lights, while more simpler lights like you see produced by laser beams, would have only one wavelength, and so therefore could not disperse. Now that I've explained how dispersion works, I can move on to explaining how lenses work, such as the camera on my laptop or my eyeglasses. Don't forget to subscribe if you found this video informative, and make sure to see other tutorial videos, and follow me on either Facebook or Twitter for more content.